How to safely share the road with bicyclists. Cycling has become an increasingly popular mode of transportation for many people. However, with the rise of cyclists on the road, it's important for drivers to understand how to safely share the road with bicyclists. Cycling has many benefits, such as promoting a healthier lifestyle, reducing traffic congestion, and minimizing the carbon footprint. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, in 2019, there were 846 cyclists killed in crashes with motor vehicles in the U.S. In Colorado alone, 16 cyclists die in bicycle accidents each year. Yielding the right-of-way. Right-of-way is a road user's legal right to proceed across a roadway, such as taking possession to cross an intersection. Bicycles do not have automatic right-of-way on any Colorado road or multi-purpose non-road path, but they can obtain the right-of-way over a car or other automobile with a green light or if the bike arrives at an intersection first. Tips for safe cycling. First, it's crucial to use hand signals to indicate to drivers when you're turning or changing lanes. Secondly, always wear a helmet to protect your head in case of an accident. Additionally, cyclists should position themselves in the proper lane and be aware of their surroundings and potential hazards, such as parked cars, road debris, or potholes. Although you may have the right-of-way at an intersection that requires a car to yield, a driver may underestimate your speed and cause a last-minute collision. Tips for drivers sharing the road with bicyclists. Drivers should keep a safe distance from bicyclists to prevent accidents. It's recommended to keep at least 3 feet of space between your vehicle and a cyclist when passing them. Always yield to bicyclists when appropriate, and be sure to follow road-sharing laws. Motorists driving too closely to bicyclists on the side or behind can cause accidents including sideswipes and rear-end collisions when the bike stops but the driver fails to pay attention to the bike's speed. By riding too closely, it is more likely that a small movement or moment of inattentiveness can result in a bicycle accident. Additionally, drivers must pay attention when making turns to avoid a bike accident. When making left turns, the driver must check not just normal street lanes but also bike lanes, sidewalks and other avenues where a bike or other non-automobile may have the right-of-way. Additionally, drivers must pay attention when making right-hand turns across bike lanes and sidewalks to avoid colliding with somebody with the right-of-way. Understanding bicycle infrastructure. Bicycles have unique infrastructure designed for them to travel safely on the road. Bike lanes are designated areas for bicycles to travel, separated from vehicle lanes by a solid or dotted line. Sharrows are markings on the road that indicate where bicycles should ride, typically in the middle of a lane. Finally, bike boulevards are streets that prioritize bicycles over cars, often with traffic calming measures and lower speed limits. Handling intersections. Intersections can be tricky for both drivers and bicyclists. Additionally, drivers should be aware of the right hook and left cross risks and avoid making abrupt turns in front of bicyclists. Dealing with hazards. Cyclists must be prepared to navigate hazards on the road, such as potholes, grates, and road debris. Cyclists should also adjust their riding for inclement weather and nighttime riding. Drivers can help by avoiding obstacles that can cause harm to cyclists, such as allowing ample space around potholes or road debris. Dooring. Dooring occurs when a street-parked car opens a door into a passing bike, causing a crash. A dooring accident often results in throwing the cyclist over the door and causing serious injury due to impact with the street. If you are injured in a bike crash, contact our experienced bicycle collision attorney in Denver for advice.